Hey guys, this is Bud of Bud's HO Cars and my cameraman Rich, here to give you the lowdown on what happened at our show last Sunday, April 14th at the Ramada Inn in Fishkill, New York. First of all, we had a fantastic show. We more than doubled last year's attendance record. Okay, that is awesome. First of all, I want to thank all the dealers for showing up. These guys came there, came from near and far, put out all their stuff, had some great deals. All the customers, we know we had customers coming from all over the place, okay? I guess the coupons we gave out worked, all right? Everybody used coupons. Everybody Googled the directions and realized this place ain't as far as you think. We had guys there from Long Island, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New Hampshire. I had guys coming from all over the place. That's just to mention a few places, all right? But we had a great time. Check out the footage, all right, of some of the highlights that we had at the show. Door prizes were given out. Deals were made, fun was had, and hey, forget about it. It was a show. If you missed it, come on, start making arrangements and get there for the next one. guys, you saw all that footage, right? You saw all the fun we had. Forget about it. We had Thunder there, the big dog, right? 256 and I think a third pounds, something like that. I don't know what it is. Big dog, all right? Anyway, we had all the dealers, as you can see. Plus, there was a sighting of Tycho Dan at this show. You know Tycho Dan. All right, he was there. Lots of other guys were there. A lot of fun. Again, thank you to all the dealers. Thank you to all you customers who showed up. Thank you for spreading the word, because together, I know we're going to build this show and make this something spectacular. And remember, our next show is going to be on October 13th. Same place, Ramada Inn, Fishkill, New York. Remember, Google the directions. It ain't that far. Remember, don't forget about it, and I'll see you then. Thank you.